How to deposit and exchange. This is a timeshare resort. This is you, a timeshare owner, with your family. If you own a week at a timeshare resort, you could visit your home resort year after year after year after year. And that would be fine because you would be taking vacations, which is more than we can say for people who don't take vacations. But still, what if you crave travel variety? What if you want to travel at a different time of year to a different place? Your Interval membership can make that happen with the exchange benefit. So instead of going to that same resort year after year after year after year, you have access to an exchange network of some 3,200 resorts in over 80 countries on 6 continents. That's a lot of different experiences that you and your family can enjoy. A beach vacation, a trip to the mountains, theme parks, Europe, Mexico. Okay, enough daydreaming. Let's get back to exchange. If you own a week, the single most important thing you can do is deposit, and do so as early as possible. Here's why. Deposit up to 2 years in advance of your home resort week's check-in date, and you can travel up to 2 years after your week's check-in date. There are many benefits to depositing early. Flexibility. You now have up to 4 years to travel. You are committing now to future travel, and you have plenty of time to find the exchange that you want. The earlier you deposit, the more trading power you will have, which improves your exchange chances. Okay, now let's take a look at how easy it is to deposit. First, sign in to intervalworld.com. Select Vacation Exchange and My Units. Select the unit that you want to deposit and select the deposit button. Now all you have to do is select Back to Exchange and search availability, or select My Units again so that you can place a request. We'll search for you, and when the week you requested becomes available, your exchange will be completed. And once your exchange is completed, you can look forward to a new experience. Want to try it yourself? Click the Exchange button below to get started. We'll see you somewhere new soon.